Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in mathematics, we are going to be looking at place value of whole numbers, okay? Our topic for today in mathematics is on place value of whole numbers. So are we ready for the lesson? We're with our books and our pencils to get into today's lesson, right? We know what place value is. It's placing numbers according to their worth, right? According to their values. Like we have here, we know this pattern, 9,453, ones in ones, tens in tens, hundred in hundred, thousands in thousands, right? Today's lesson we're looking at place value of millions, but I'm just looking at this example to help you prepare you for the lesson, okay? Remember how we learned this? Ones in ones, tens in tens, hundred in hundred, thousands in thousands, right? Now we are looking at millions, okay? So now let's say we have a digit like this. We have 1,200,500. It will be a little bit difficult placing those numbers according to their value using this system. Also this digit, 2,450,780. It will be difficult using this system. Where are we going to be placing these middle numbers using this system? It will be difficult, right? So we are going to be using this place value system, okay? We have the millions, thousands, and ones. Under the ones, we have ones, tens, and hundreds. And under the thousands, we have 100,000s, 10,000s, and 1,000s. Under millions, we have 100 millions, tens millions, and ones millions. So we're going to be looking at some examples to help us understand this better, okay? We're going to be using this system to place our numbers according to their value, according to their worth, okay? Let's start with number one. Number one, we have 7,482,913. We have to place this using this place value system. So this is in the ones, this is in the thousands, and this is in millions. Remember, this is 7,482,913. So this is ones, thousands, and million. So first we start with the last digit at our right, okay? So here we have this last digit is 3, but in this column we have 913, right? So this is in the ones, this is in the tens, and this is in the hundred. So 3 in ones, 1 in tens, and 9 in hundred, okay? 913. 900 is in hundred. 110, which is 10. 3, which is in the ones, okay? Then we have here 482. 2 in the 1,000, 8 in the 10,000, and 4 in the 100,000. 482,000, okay? Then 7 in 1,000,000. So here we have 7,482,913, okay? This is how you place this number according to the value using this system. Let's look at another number. We have 32,154,670. So how do we place this according to the value using this place value system? 0 in ones under ones, 7 in ones on the tens, and 6 in 100 on the ones, okay? 670, okay? Then we move over to the next. 4 in ones on the thousands, 5 in tens thousands on the thousands, and 1 in 100,000 on the thousands. Then you move over to the next digit. 2 on the ones million in million, and 3 on the tens million in millions. Okay, so we have here 32,154,670. Okay, do you understand? We have the last example here. 526,213,456. We start with the last digit at our right. 6 under the ones column in ones, 5 under the tens columns in ones, 4 under the 100 column in ones. We'll go over to the next one. 3 under the ones thousands in thousands, 1 under the tens thousand in thousands, 2 under the 100,000 in thousands. You move over to the next. 6 under 1 million in millions, 2 under tens millions in millions, and 5 under 100 millions in millions. Okay, so you have 526 million, 213,456. Do you understand this place value system? It's quite easy, right? So we now know how to place numbers in millions using this place value system, right? So now we are going to be identifying the value of these digits. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3. Let's identify the values of these digits. Okay, the first digit we had was this: 7,482,913. So what is the value of 7? The digit 7 is in the million place, right? So the value is 7 times 1 million, which will give you 7 million. So the value of 7 is in million, so it's 7 million. Then the value of 4, the digit 4 is in the 100,000 place, right? So its value is 4 times 100,000, okay? Which is equals to 400,000. So the digit 4 is in the 100,000 place. Now the digit 8 is in the 10,000 place. So its value is 8 times 10,000, which is going to give you 80,000. The next digit 2, the digit 2 is in the thousands place. So its value is 2 times 1,000, which is going to give you 2,000. The next digit 9. The digit 9 is in the hundreds place. So its value is 9 times 100. This should be 100, sorry. 100. So 9 times 100 is going to give you 900. Okay? The next digit is 1. The digit 1 is in the tens place. So its value is 1 times 10, which is equals to 10. And the last digit 3, the digit 3 is in the ones place. So it's 3 times 1, which is going to give you 3. Okay, so when you add these values together, the total value of the number is going to give you 7,482,913. Do you understand? Good. Now let's identify the value of 32,154,670. 154,670. Now the digit 3 is in the 10 millions place, right? So its value is 3 times 10 million, which is going to give you 30 million. The next digit 2 is in the millions place. So it's 2 times 1 million, which is going to give you 2 million. The next digit 1 is in the 100,000 place. So its value is 1 times 100,000, which is going to give you 100,000. The next digit 5 is in the 10,000 place. So its value is 5 times 10,000, which is going to give you 50,000. The next digit 4 is in the thousands place. 4 is in the thousands place, as you can see. So it's 4 times 1,000, sorry. So 4 times 1,000 is going to give you 4,000. And the next digit 6, which is in the 600 place. So its value is 6 times 100, which is going to give you 600. And the next digit 7, which is in the 7/10 place. So its value is 7 times 10, which is 70. Okay. So now when you add these values together, you are going to have 32,154,670. Okay. Do you understand? Good. Now let's look at the last digit. Let's identify the last digits which were placed in the place value system. 526,213,456. So now 5 is in the 100 million place, right? So its value is 5 times 100 million. Then the next digit 2 is in the 10 million place. So its value is 2 times 10 million, which is going to give you 20 million. Then the next digit 6 is in the millions place, so it's 6 times 1 million, which is going to give you 6 million. The next digit is 2, which is in the 100,000 place. It's going to give you 2 times 100, and it's going to give you 200,000. Okay. And the next digit 1 is in the 10,000 place, which is going to give you 1 times 10,000, and it's going to give you 10,000. And the next digit 3 is in the thousands place, so its value is 3 times 1,000, which is going to give you 3,000. The next digit 4 is in the 100 place, so it's 4 times 100, which is going to give you 400. And the next digit 5 is in the tens place, so its value is 5 times 10, which is going to give you 50. And the last digit 6 is in the ones place, so its value is 6 times 1, which is going to give you 6. So we have identified the values of each of these digits, right? So when you add all these values together, you're going to have 526,213,456. Okay, do you understand that? So we can now identify the values of digits, right? 500 million and so on. So we can do that. And we can also place numbers according to their worth using this new place value system, right? Good. So we understood today's lesson on place value of whole numbers. Okay, so now we're going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment. Okay, that is good.